Jackass number nothing. Okay, these are episodes of Jackass, but in Kids Edition. Now, these two dumb people are going to be a little racing fanatics. Okay, now these two, Aaron and Jonathan, they're going to do a Jackass video where they do a little race by pushing themselves on their hands. Okay, they're going to go all the way to there. Right there. Okay, now these two are going to go. Are you guys ready? On your mark. Now! And they're off. Aaron's getting a good start. He's winning. Jonathan's at a very poor start. There's Aaron. You see him being gay. There's Jonathan. You see him getting just pretty far away.
Shut up.
And the winner is Aaron. And Aaron is still going. Now turn around. Okay. Ha!